Teacher Training Resource Center in the district are 300. In Pakistan, teachers at the elementary and secondary levels are mostly trained under a prescribed curriculum. They are recruited on the basis of professional qualification. In the college education and universities. Most of the lecturers are untrained with only academic qualification, but now higher education academics have been established. Train the in-service teacher with certain modules and competencies courses of Higher Education Commission in Pakistan. Overview of teacher education training institutions. University of the Punjab. University of Education Punjab. The University of Education Punjab was established as recently as September 2002. The administrative, financial, and academic control of all elementary, primary, and middle and secondary teacher education, for example, control of GCETs and colleges of education are with University of Education. The university looks after pre-service institutions and the Provincial Institute of Teacher Education, which was created in 1996. Thus, the total control of both pre-service and in-service teacher education, elementary and secondary, including curriculum, assessment and examinations, and evaluation and research, are under the control of the University of Education, Punjab. Directorate of Staff Development DSD Punjab. Directorate of Staff Development DSD looks after the management and administration of the GCETs and the provision of in-service training. Bureau of Curriculum and Extension Wing Sindh. The Bureau of Curriculum and Extension Wing Sindh BCNEW and the Provisional Institute of Teacher Education PITE are the major providers of both pre-service and in-service teacher education in the province. The departments of education in the universities provide teacher education at graduate and postgraduate levels, B.Ed, M.Ed, PhD, to their institutes of education and research, IERs, and colleges of education. All the government elementary colleges of education, GECEs 23 in number, provide PTC, CTOT and DTC certificate courses preparing teachers for primary level 1 to 5 and middle level 6 to 8 classes. These GECEs are under the administrative, academic and financial control of the Bureau of Curriculum and Extension, Wing Sindh. The Bureau of Curriculum also undertakes curriculum development in collaboration with the curriculum wings of the Federal Ministry of Education and collaborates with the Sindh Textbook Board in textbook development. Short in service courses on special topics are held often through funding by donor agencies. Provincial Institute of Teacher Education PITE Sindh. The PITE Sindh catered to in-service training, material development and research activities. For its in-service training programs, the PITE utilized the services of the faculty of bureaus GECEs in addition to its own nuclear staff and also uses their premises for holding the workshops. As such, there is collaboration between the Bureau and PITE in provision of in-service training. Bureau and PITE in Sindh are independent institutions, both reporting to the Secretary Education and receiving their budgets from the Department of Education. College of Education Sindh. The College of Education offering postgraduate courses in education are affiliated with the universities, but they are under the financial and administrative control of the EDO College Education. The staff are the employees of the Department of Education, not of the university. The universities are mainly examining and degree awarding bodies, so far as teacher education is concerned and have some role in curriculum and syllabus perceptions. Directorate of Curriculum and Teacher Education DCTE KPK. Directorate of Curriculum and Teacher Education DCTE exercise administration, financial and academic control over the 24/10 closed down one government college of physical education and government agro-technical teacher training center. Regional Institutes of Teacher Education Rights KPK. Regional Institute of Teacher Education RITES provides PTC and CT. Two half of them have been closed down while classes have been suspended in the rest 10 institutes for a period of 3 years. Provincial Institute of Teacher Education PITE KPK. The PITE in NWFP is semi-independent since its budget is allocated under the Directorate of Curriculum and Teacher Education, but it is reported directly to the Secretary Education. अभी हम स्टडी कर रहे थे, अभी हमने स्टडी किया यूनिट 3 स्टार्ट से एक रिकैप दे देता हूं आपको. यूनिट 3 डेवलपमेंट ऑफ टीचर एजुकेशन इन पाकिस्तान. टीचर एजुकेशन पाकिस्तान में क्या है? नो सिस्टम ऑफ एजुकेशन कुड बी बेटर देन इट्स टीचर. Teachers are essential player in promoting quality education, whether in schools or in more flexible community-based programs. They are advocated for change. जो टीचर है वो एसेंशियल प्लेयर है इन प्रमोटिंग क्वालिटी एजुकेशन के. आपने अगर अपनी एजुकेशन की क्वालिटी को, म्यार को बेहतर करना है तो जो टीचर है उसका रोल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. वेदर इन स्कूल्स और इन मोर फ्लेक्सिबल कम्युनिटी बेस्ड प्रोग्राम्स. जो आप स्कूल में करवा रहे हैं ये कम्युनिटी बेस्ड प्रोग्राम है. दे आर एडवोकेटिंग फॉर चेंज, जिसमें आपने बच्चों को एजुकेट करना है, चेंज करना है, पॉजिटिवली उन्हें इनकी नॉलेज और इंफॉर्मेशन जो आपके पास सामने ट्रांसफर करना है. तो उसमें सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल वो किसका है? टीचर का है. ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, आउटकम्स ऑलरेडी हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं इस यूनिट के. टीचर एजुकेशन सिस्टम इन पाकिस्तान. हिस्टोरिकल बैकग्राउंड. पार्टीशन के टाइम पे ये कुछ चीजें हैं. J.B जूनियर वैनकुलर. 8 साल की टीचर की एजुकेशन होनी चाहिए और 1 साल का एक्सपीरियंस और प्राइमरी. जब वो प्राइमरी स्कूल 1 से लेके 5 साल के बच्चों के क्लास के बच्चों को पढ़ाने का ये टीचर की क्वालिफिकेशन होनी चाहिए. सीनियर वैनकुलर में मैट्रिक प्लस 1 ईयर की ट्रेनिंग होनी चाहिए 1 से लेके 8वीं क्लास तक के बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए. सर्टिफिकेट इन टीचिंग एंड सर्टिफिकेट टीचर 12 प्लस उसने इंटरमीडिएट किया और 1 साल की ट्रेनिंग हो 1 से लेके 8 क्लास तक को पढ़ाने के लिए. और ओरिएंटेड टीचर के लिए फॉर द इंट्रैक्शन ऑफ ओरिएंटेड लैंग्वेज. बैचलर इन टीचिंग. ओरिएंटल टीचर वो टीचर होता है जो लैंग्वेज कोर्सेज करवाता है, जैसे उर्दू, पंजाबी, इंग्लिश, फ्रेंच, चाइनीज एक्सेट्रा. बैचलर इन टीचिंग 14 साल की बैचलर की प्लस 1 ईयर की ट्रेनिंग हो फॉर क्लास 6 to 10. रीनेम्ड एज. अब 1957 से उसका नाम क्या रख दिया हुआ है? बीटी का B8. Before partition, the entire education system was aimed to produce a class of people who would serve the bureaucracy to carry on the old socio-economic order in the country. इसके कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं. आफ्टर पार्टीशन द नेशनल कमीशन फॉर एजुकेशन हैड आइडेंटिफाइड द फॉलोइंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं? कि बी एकेडमिकली वेल ट्रेन्ड इन द ऑब्जेक्ट. जो टीचर है वो अपने ऑब्जेक्ट में वेल ट्रेन्ड हो. द टीचर टीच जो भी उसने पढ़ाना है. हैव हैड साउंड प्रोफेशनल ट्रेनिंग. उसके बाद साउंड प्रोफेशनल ट्रेनिंग हो इन दैट हाउ टू टीच दिस सब्जेक्ट, कि वो किस तरह से सब्जेक्ट को पढ़ाएगा.